Hi viewers, your Hasini here. Today we are going to make chalk eclipse art, and the required materials are A4 size chart paper, chalk and color paper. I have cut in the color paper in circle shape. Come on, let's start. I have taken black color chart paper to make the eclipse look natural. Now take the color paper and place it on the middle of the chart. Now draw a circle around the color paper like this. Dust the chalk like this. Now tap the color paper and take it off. Our solar eclipse art is ready now. Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it, subscribe it for more videos.